they love it. Yeah. Tonga, I'm not sure how Tonga, but Drew there from TNLC was here recently, and he bought so much.
Between husband and wife, what would the husband do? I can see
The husband's currently out doing plantation work, so he'd be the one, making sure that he's cleaning out, the grass.
You mean plantation like a paid job?
Like taro, all those fruit crops.
Right.
Yams.
But not on their land.
Not on their land.
On their land,
No,
okay.
because it's very
Yeah.
expensive.
Kunua ito ng kama.
Hard work, huh?
Rina, I said it would be included on that list for llama. Clothing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so we've got Valley Village. It's Auntie's family business, but it's run by her daughter. Her daughter's a medical doctor. She's looking for the business. And 2 weeks ago, she called me and asked me if we knew of any farmers who are in need of some clothes and things. So I can see.
Hey! فأسألك نها لالي Sabali pala o magkamahal pala.
And the 20 she can sell every day, she says. She sells it here on the street or she goes into the
Yeah.
people stop and
The truck that pulled over the other time, like 5 minutes ago. I think so.
Yes.